Hey cruise lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're booked on the Carnival Mardi Gras or even just dreaming about it, you're in for a treat. We did the hard work of going to every bar on board and man it was a tough job, but somebody had to do it. And let me tell you, some absolutely blew us away like the Crescent City Daiquiri and Fortune Teller, while a few were just Today we're breaking down our absolute favorites, the hidden gems most people walk right past, and yes, even that one bar we'd probably skip next time. After 20 plus years of cruising and sipping, we know what makes a bar worth your precious vacation time. So grab your cruise planner, or better yet, your favorite cocktail, and let's dive into the best drink and vibes the Carnival Mardi Gras has to offer. Brad's Magnolia, located in the French Quarter, Deck 6. This is hands down one of the most beautiful bars on the ship. It's got the New Orleans jazz lounge vibe, complete with live music that makes you feel like you've been transported to the French Quarter. Try the Hurricane, a bold, fruited classic that instantly sets the mood. We also love the Bayou Lemonade, which brings just the right amount of tart and sweet. But if you want something creamy and rich, go for the Brandy Milk Punch. Think smooth, sweet, and just boozy enough to warm your soul. Brass Magnolia is a whole vibe. We give it a strong 9 out of 10 for the ambiance and the drinks that don't miss. Fortune Teller, located in the French Quarter, Deck 6. This bar is all about mystery and magic, with color changing cocktails and a smoky cool setup that makes it a whole experience. We love the crystal ball, it's fun, photogenic, and easy to sip. The abracadabra is cool to watch being made, but taste wise, it was more of a try it once kind of drink. But our sleeper, the Crescent City Daiquiri, y'all, this one was so smooth, flavorful, and had just the right amount of rum kick. This drink is my favorite on the whole list. Solid 10 out of 10 here, especially if you're into drinks that look as good as they taste. Alchemy Bar, located Grand Central, Deck 7. Alchemy Bar is a fan favorite for a reason. The mixologists here are like cocktail wizards. Just tell them what you like and they'll whip you up something special. Instead of our usual picks, this time we went with the Curative Peach Cosmopolitan, which is bright, crisp, and not overly sweet. The deal closer is exactly what it sounds like: decadent, rich, and the perfect nightcap. You'll feel like you just made a power move. Some people might not agree, but here's why we rated it a 9 out of 10. It's classy without being stuffy, and you'll probably come back for more than once. Red Frog Tiki Bar, located on the Lido deck. Poolside, breezy, and bursting with island vibes, the Red Frog Tiki Bar spans 2 decks and is always popping. Stick with the classics here, the Mai Tai or the Rum Runner. It's not about craft cocktails here, it's about fun, fruity, frozen goodness that tastes like vacation. This spot's a solid 8 out of 5 for the location and the good vibes. Plus, you never have to go too far for a refill. Pig and Anchor Smokehouse Brewhouse, located Summer Landing, Deck 8. This joint is all about barbecue and beer, and it delivers. The food is top tier, but we're here for the drinks today. The Lynchburg lemonade surprised us. It was sweet, tangy, and refreshing with that little whiskey edge. Pair it with some brisket and you've got a whole moment. If you're into laid back, southern style sipping, this spot is an 8 out of 10 for sure. Serenity Bar, located on the Serenity deck. The adults only Serenity area is peaceful and so is this bar. It's nothing fancy, but when you're sunbathing or chilling in a clamshell lounger, a pina colada or a strawberry daiquiri hits just right. This bar is more about the setting than the drinks. Still, we gave it a 9 out of 10. Perfect for when you're just wanting to escape noise and sip in peace. Havana Bar, located in the Havana Zone, Deck 8. Now here's a hidden gem. The Havana Bar brings Cuban flair with amazing live Latin music and drinks that feel like a vacation in a glass. Try the Havana Special, a sweet and citrusy rum punch, or the La Buena Vida, which is more mellow but equally as delicious. Bonus points for the vibe: lively, colorful, and full of energy. This one gets an 8 out of 10, especially in the evening when the music kicks in. The Watering Hole, located Summer Landing, Deck 8. Tucked away near the aft pool, the Watering Hole is easy to miss but worth finding. We like the Sailaway, which is light and fruity, perfect for a hot sea day. The Planter's Punch is a deeper, run-forward option that still goes down smooth. This bar gets a 7 out of 5 for us. Great drinks, great view, but not always staffed during the day. Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse, located Deck 7. Okay, we know this is technically a restaurant, but y'all, the bar at Fahrenheit 555 deserves a moment. It's elegant, tucked away, and perfect for a quiet pre-dinner cocktail. The drink to try here, the sidecar. It's a classic, smooth brandy, a citrusy bite, and that sugar rim brings it all together. It's grown and sexy, just like this space. It's an 8 out of 10. Definitely give it a visit, even if you're not dining there. Center Stage Bar, located Grand Central, Deck 6. Right in the heart of the ship, Center Stage Bar is great for grabbing a drink before catching the show or just soaking in the action. No signature drinks here, but it's got fast service and prime seating. Think of it like the social hub. Great spot to meet folks or just people watch while sipping on your favorite go-to. 8 out of 10 for function and location. Grand View Bar, located Grand Central, Deck 8. Now if you want stunning views of the atrium and some chill vibes, head to the Grand View Bar. It's classy without trying too hard. Perfect for an evening cocktail with a view, especially during golden hour. They've got all the basics and the bartenders here know how to pour. We like to come here for a quiet drink away from the bustle. 7 out of 10 here. Bar Della Rosa, located Deck 8. This one's for the espresso martini lovers out there. Bar Della Rosa is your Italian-inspired escape. Whether it's a bold Negroni, a smooth Aperol Spritz, or yes, an espresso martini to keep the night going, this bar is giving class and flavor. Bonus points for comfy seats and rich coffee liqueurs. It's a total vibe. 9 out of 10. Bonus section. Drinks from the restaurant. Let's talk about a couple of spots where the food might be the main event, but the drinks deserve their own spotlight. Rudy's Sea Grill surprised us with 2 solid cocktails. One is the Santorini Martini, light, citrusy, and not too strong, and the Tropical Smash, which was fruit-forward and refreshing. Chibang brings a fusion of flavors, and the drinks were no exception. The Jade Stone was earthy and unique, while the Red Dragon had a little spice and a lot of personality. If you're dining at these venues, don't sleep on the cocktail menus. You'll find some hidden gems. Quick recap, our top picks and one to skip. Alright, if you're looking for the best of the best, here's our quick recap. The Fortune Teller Bar, cool vibes, creative drinks, and that Crescent City daiquiri, total game changer. Brass Magnolia, gorgeous setting, live jazz, and cocktails that never miss. Alchemy Bar, the mixologists here are next level. Ask for something custom and you'll thank us later. And if you're short on time, the Grandview Bar was the one we'd probably skip. Decent drinks, great views, but not super memorable. So there you have it, our guide to the best bars on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Whether you're chasing tropical tiki vibes or classic cocktails with a twist, this ship delivers. We had a blast exploring every bar so you could head straight to the ones that you think are worth your time. Have you ever sailed on the Carnival Mardi Gras? What was your go-to drink or favorite bar? Drop it in the comments. We would love to hear your picks. If you found this helpful, check out our food guide for the Carnival Mardi Gras. Also remember to hit that like button. It will help this information get to other cruisers. And don't forget to hit subscribe. We've got more cruise content coming your way soon. Until then, peace.